How to add website link to your TikTok. First, go to your TikTok application and then just tap on your profile. After coming to the profile, you will see three lines on the top right. Just tap on it and go to settings and privacy. And here you will see an option of account. Tap on it and then switch to business account. And now select your category and press next. So your profile has been converted into business profile. Now come back to your profile and go to edit profile. So your website link will be available here. Right now my website link option is not here because I'm not completely active on TikTok. But if you are regularly uploading videos on TikTok, then you will get an option to upload your website link. And then your website link will be available here in bio. So thanks for watching this video. If you want more how to videos like this, subscribe to this channel.